I'm gonna show you how to talk to a real live agent on Experian. So to get started, you have to open the Experian browser, or if you have a app on your phone, you can go to there. And from there, you just have to scroll down all the way down and then locate contact us. And so from there, Experian doesn't offer any more chat support, but you can talk to them via phone or email. So from there, you just have to select what kind of support do you need. It's either my Experian membership, and it will just give you details how to contact them. They will give you all the necessary details like phone number and their mailing address. Or if you have like a concern about the credit dispute, you can just click on dispute by online or dispute by mail, and from there they will still give you a option or necessary details to contact them. And if you have access to a credit report, they will also give you the necessary details from calling them in this phone number, and that's just it. And then lastly, if you have a fraud and identity theft, you will just need to select any of this one. They will give you a phone number and the guidelines to how to dispute online, or you can how to prevent those things. So that's just it. That's how to talk to a live agent on Experian.